Hello and welcome to Cutting Edge Studios and welcome to our portal. This portal will be used for all our communications. You can order services with us, the payments, everything goes inside of this portal. And this tutorial will explain a little bit on what you can expect and how everything works. So you got an email with us with an invitation to join our portal. With also this link with this YouTube video. If you click on that, then you're landing on a page similar to this, and you can create an account. So the first time you need to fill in your first name, your last name, and your password. After that, so let me do that first here for my dummy account. There we go, that's one. And you click on sign in. Now make sure as soon as you sign in that you're gonna basically copy and paste this link somewhere or bookmark it so you have easy access to this portal whenever you need it. Now the first thing you'll see here, this is your home page. And you're not going to use it too much, but here you can find the tutorial again that you're watching right here. You have some instructions here as well, so everything that we talk about in the tutorial, you can have a quick little overview written down here as well. If you have any pending proposals or contracts, you can see here as well. You have our contact email, you can see that as well, so here you can find that. You can make some notes for yourself, but that's basically it. Then on the left hand side you have a tutorial. If you click on that, you will see the same video that you're watching right here as well. So we'll place this video on multiple places on our portal just to make sure you know how to get access to the information. Then we have tasks. You can skip that. If you can click that open, you do see if we have any delegated tasks. This view shows tasks that you've delegated to others. So it's not that important for you. The first thing I want you to do is that you go to the project section. This is basically your home base. If you click on projects, you'll see you. This is basically you. You click on your name and then you land on this page, and this is basically the main screen, and here you'll be able to do everything and see everything. Now here you have some quick little intro information. So if you click on please start here, again you have a quick little overview of the things I'm telling you right now as well. This is another place where you can see the video. Again, this is the third time we place that video, so you can't miss it anymore. And then we have here the questionnaires. So if you have ordered a cover design or formatting or a lead magnet with us, we have some questionnaires for you to fill in, because those questionnaires will really help us create the cover of your dreams or format the book in a certain way. The only thing you have to do in order to download it is click it open. You click in this left tab right here, if it's not already there. Here you have the information. You see here the Word document and a PDF. Now we prefer that you download a Word document because the PDF you can't fill that in. So let's say if you can't use Word, maybe you are on a Mac, then you can use the PDF version, but then you actually have to copy and paste or write the question and the answers down in a new form for yourself, and upload that later. So easiest way is to click on the Word document. So you click on this link, and then this will open, and then you can click it open, or you can save it to your computer and open it later. Now as soon as you fill the questionnaires in, this is also the same spot where you're gonna upload it back in again. So if you want to upload it, click on the cover design in this case, and then you click on the third option right here, the paperclip. You click on test attachment, new file. You click on upload, and then you can upload it from your computer. For instance, you click upload. You click on browse files to upload it to your computer. Alright, so this is the place where you can upload, first of all download and then upload the questionnaire as well. If you want to have, if you want to let us know something about the questionnaire, maybe something was not, maybe you have some questions or anything, you can just type in a comment here as well. And this section will always come back. So the left one is the information, the middle one is used for comments, and the right one is to upload or download files. Then we have a list with all our services. All the services we provide are listed down here. But for you, if you've ordered multiple services with us, as soon as you've ordered it with us, we're gonna shift right this onto here. And then you can see the status of the services have as well. So basically the same thing as here, but then you can see the status as well. Now let's say we are working on your cover design. Let me click this open. You click on cover design. Here you have the basic information, what probably won't have too much. But let's say the cover designer is creating some mockups for you. This is going to be the place where the cover designer is going to upload them. So you can click on a paperclip, and here you can see everything they have uploaded now and in the past. So everything will stay here as well. So you can always go back if you need it. If you want to let the cover designer know what your thoughts are, you can just click on the comments and you can type in what you like about it or what you don't like. So all the comments you can leave here as well. So again, here you can download the files and here you can leave a comment. Now the only downside is if you place a comment here, sometimes the designers will get an automated email that you left a message, but that doesn't always happen if you type it in here. So do leave all your comments here, but if you want to make sure that they get it and they will respond to you, there's a better way for conversations, and it's basically up here in the conversation tab. So if you click on the conversations tab, you click on new conversation. You click on your contributor, so let's say your cover designer. If you have a formatter, that will be listed here as well, so you can just choose to whomever you like to speak. You click on that. You can click on the title, and then you can type in. So you can let them know, hey, I've watched your cover designs. I really like them, but I want you to make some changes. Please check out the cover design section, something like that. And now they get an automated email. They know that they can go back to the task section. They can click open the cover design and they can actually read what you've typed in here and make the changes for you and re-upload it again here as well. So that's basically how that works. And then the cover designer will let you know when that happens. So they either upload it here and you get an automated email when the task is attached, or they will reply to the conversation and let them know from, hey, I've uploaded a new file for you. So all the conversations will be held in right here. It's the same thing as email basically, but then inside of this platform. Now same thing goes for formatting. As soon as the formatting started, you can click on the formatting. Everything will be uploaded here. If you want to let them know what your thoughts are, you can leave it in as well right here, or go back to the conversation task. Now what else do we have here? We have some task section. This is more for the designers, and if you want to order a call with us, a Zoom call with us, maybe for a coaching session, or maybe you just want to have us explain this entire thing right in front of you, you can call a Zoom call with us as well. So you can click on the link here and you can order that as well. Now what else do we have here? You see here as well calendar, invoices, proposals, but you can just leave this alone. You don't need to take a look at that. The only thing you need is the tasks, so there's this section right here, and the conversations. Now after that, the second thing you want to do is click on View and Order Services. Let me click on that. And here you will see two lists. We have order your individual services, and if you want to order our cover design plus formatting package and the other cover designs that we have, you can click on this. So we have split that up in two. So let's click the one open. If I scroll down, you have some information here about our company, if you want to see who we are, if you didn't hear the story before. And here we have our services. All our individual services are listed here with the complete price, the full-on price. Let's say you want to add anything, you like to order the book description service, for instance. You simply click on add. You can also up the quantity, so you can do whatever you like with that. You can order all the services you want to have, and keep in mind you can book initial services. If you want to book more services later down the line, we either send you another list like this, so you can go back, you view and order services. You have a third option right here, or you can send us an email or a conversation and ask us, okay, I want to add this and this services, and then we will simply add that to your final invoice with us. Okay, so let's go back in here. So we have added our book description services. If that's the only thing you want to order with us, you scroll all the way down, you have a quick little summary, and then you click on sign here. You type in your name. So let me type in my name. Click on signature. You can draw a quick signature. You can confirm the signature, and there we go. Then the proposal is signed. After that, you can go completely to the invoice right away and can pay the invoice. Or if you don't have time right now to pay it and you want to come back maybe or sometime tomorrow or whatever, then you can click on no thank you. If you click on no thank you, let me do that for you, and you want to find the invoice, you can go to the invoice section right here, and then you'll find that invoice. Now this is a little bit strange maybe because you see two invoices, but the reason is you only pay a 50% deposit. And so my system automatically shifts the price in two, so you only have to pay the 50% deposit. If that's the case, just click to do that, that's closest to you, because you see this one's always like 5 or 6 months in the future. So my system is able to split this up. And when you're completely happy with the files and right before we send you all the final files, then I'm gonna send you the second invoice. So if you want to pay this, you just click it open right here. You can scroll all the way down, and then there will be a button as well that you can click via PayPal. So that will go down all automatically. If you want to download this for your own installment, you can just download that as well or print it. So we have two of these forms, our individual services, but we also have one for the cover design and formatting. So if you click that open, works the same way, you have the same base information. Here we have our package, so you can add the package if you like, or if you want to order individual cover designs like the paperback or hardcover or audiobook, you can order that as well. So let's say I want to order the audiobook. You can scroll down as well. We have a small little contract for you. Every cover design and formatting will have a small little contract, so you can read the contract. And after that, you can sign as well. So let me do that again. You can draw your signature. Confirm signature. There we go. And then you have signed the proposal and the contract all at once. Very easy. And same if you now want to pay, you click on continue to invoice, and right here you will have the invoice and you can pay via PayPal. So it's all relatively easy. If ever you want to view anything, you can find the contract back in your contract section as well. If you, in case you missed to download it, you still want to download it, you can go to the contract section as well. What else do we have here? We have the inboxes. So in this inbox, it works the same if I go back to the project section right here, and we have the conversations. But this conversation is better always with 1 or 2 persons. You can add multiple, but you can also go to the inbox section right here and you can click on direct and you click on new, and they can send a direct message to somebody in our company, maybe a cover designer or me. Or if you want to have a group conversation with multiple people, you click on group, you click on new, and then you can basically set all the contributors and have a group conversation. We have the files here as well. So any files that we have uploaded and downloaded will be here, stored here as well, but mainly you don't need to take a look at this. Here we have our settings, so you can change any settings, like your interface, general sections, notifications. Make sure that notifications, that your email notifications are on, so you get an email invite every time something is uploaded or if a question for you, etc. But in general, as soon as you start working with us, just make sure that every day or so you log in here to see if you have a new status. If something changes or we have a new update or a question for you, or if we maybe uploaded something, you get a notification here as well, and all the notifications will be here as well. So if you quickly sign in, you can very easily see if something is changed and we have any notifications. And lastly, what we also have is an app for your phone. So this is for your computer, but we also have an app. If you type in Pludio, this is the app that you want to download. And if you download that app and use the same login details, you'll be able to use the same platform on your mobile phone as well.